Hello everyone, I am Vandana here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a combo repellent, a combination of two repellents by Conceptmart, which is a snake repellent and a rodent repellent together. And in this video we are going to learn more about how is it used, how both of them as a combo is beneficial, what are their advantages, and how are they used, what is the frequency that can be used, and everything by our very own expert in this, Mr. Pankaj Mishra. So I welcome you, sir.
Hello everybody. Yes, sir.
So, sir, can you just tell us why you chose a combination of rodent and a snake repellent?
See, a combo model basically is required because you always know that there is a correlation of snakes and rats.
Yeah.
So mostly it is observed that the snakes are found in the area where the rats are there, and rats are their food, right? So to repel them out and more efficiently repel them out, we require a combination of these two models, because only one model may not be sufficient to give you an excellent result.
Right, sir. So, can you please tell us how both of them, what are the power of each in their own way?
Yes, definitely. That's a very good question. So today I will just explain you more about both the models and how it is to be used, so that anyone can use at their places. Now we have, first you can see this is a model that is a snake repellent. This is the good thing is that it is a fully weatherproof model, so you need not worry about having the rain, any sunlight, anything. And it is a very simple model. Here what is the thing is that just you have to open this. We will put this down. We will put 4 batteries in. These batteries are called D-type battery. Okay, so D-type batteries are used over here. You can listen to the sound. This is a vibration. So this device is to be inserted maybe around up to this height inside your leg, and this will emit a periodical vibration. As we all know that the snakes cannot listen a sound, and they have a very, you will see the sound, they have very poor eyesight. So we cannot use light method, we cannot use ultrasonic or another method. Now the only option is to give a sensation to the skin. So by generating this sound, maybe a distance of approximately 40 feet radius or more can be covered with this device. It will continuously emit a vibration in the earth, and not only snake, other pets also get affected by this, and you get a good advantage of this. So this is one thing. Secondly, because I normally suggest to use rat repellent along with this, that is the combo model. So in this case, what we have generated, you are generating ultrasound. That ultrasound is as we all know that rat are able to listen ultrasound. Ultrasound is a sound about 20 kilohertz of frequency. So from 20 to around 65 or 70 kilohertz of frequency, we generate a sound that we will not listen. Only the rat will listen. Without disturbing us, we are able to repel them. So once the rats are gone, the frequency chances of coming snake is lower. Now with the help of this snake repellent, snakes are also gone. So a combination of model is going to give an excellent result to area you are preferring. So that's why we have developed and we have chosen to give a combo model instead of going for one model. So a combination of, because this sound again is ultrasound, that is going to be help for your when you are going to put into earth. But the only thing is that this model is not a weatherproof model, so we have to make some arrangement for rains. And this is a completely weatherproof, so you need not worry. Just put it on your earth, and that's done. So in this way, you are going to repel the snake as well as rat out, and you are going to keep your premises free from rats and snake as well.
Okay, that's a very thoughtful. That was a very thoughtful idea, sir. I just want to know one more question from my side. That like what sort of frequency does both the repellents as a combo can
Yeah, I will tell you. See here, because rats are listening ultrasound, it is about 20 to 65 or 70 kilohertz of frequency. But in this case, we are not generating rather a frequency, but it is a vibration. So vibration is, go to the snake. Snakes have the skin sensation, so they understand the vibration type of thing and they run away. For example, whenever you see when you clap or something like that, or some vibration, the snake goes away.
Yes.
So similar way, here it is a threatening sound for snakes. So a combination of model, as per our experience and research, a combination of model works well in your different areas. So you can use this in agricultural land, you can use in warehouses, you can in industrial area, you can use in bungalows, or if you are living in some jungle or some different places. So this model can be very much useful.
Okay, sir. Also, I would want you to, like, I just want to know that, like, how much are these, I mean, in whether are these good for long terms or just
These devices can be used for very, very long terms. There is no wear and tear and nothing is there, and this vibration is also very good. And you have to, when you are not using, you can remove this cells over there. That's it. And you have a very long periodical effect on these snakes or rats or even other pests also.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for all these informative information about the repellents. Also, thank you for watching the video. For further more details, you can just visit our website, and in any case, you can just raise a query and we'll be there to answer your questions. Thank you.
Thank you very much.